Local news for Monday the 14th of August. State Highway 2 just south of Carlton was closed on Friday night after a car crash that left at least one person with serious injuries. The road remained closed for hours as emergency crews worked to clear the scene, with the Westpac chopper called in to transport a patient to Wellington who had suffered serious injuries in the crash. Starting today, Greater Wellington will start consulting on major fare changes across the Wellington region. Some of the proposed changes include a new $25 Metlink Explorer day excursion ticket, allowing unlimited travel between 9am and after 9am on all buses and trains within the Wellington region. This replaces the $22 Wairarapa day excursion ticket. There's a new 25% discount for blind and disabled passengers and full-time tertiary students proposed, and a 3% fare increase on all 10 trips and monthly passes. People can have their say today via the Greater Wellington Wairarapa or the Greater Wellington Regional Council website. And in sport, Dalefield women are the Wellington women's champs again in the hockey, winning 2-0 on Saturday. It was the loss for the men though, going down 4-3 to Hutt agonisingly in extra time. And in senior hockey locally, wins went to Dalefield, Kia Kaha and the Ekanahuna Tuis. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.